This week, another one of my favourites, the upper body Russian twist. It's fantastic for stretching and activating and stabilising muscles of the spine, particularly the oblique muscles. It's more difficult to get right than it looks at first sight, so let's have a look how to do it with perfect form. So to begin the exercise, roll down the ball and position yourself so that your head and neck are supported by the ball. Place the tongue on the roof of the mouth and draw the belly button in towards the spine. Now to initiate the rotation, you want to think about pushing the shoulder down into the ball and underneath you on the side that you're turning to. Much more so than thinking about trying to use the legs or the hands to help you with the rotation. This way you keep a nice, clean rotation and you're not moving off center. To make this exercise a level harder, you can add weight between your hands, or you could use a cable machine if you're working in a gym. To make this exercise a level easier, we'll get rid of the ball and we'll put you on your back and actually do an exercise called the lower body Russian twist. So you can have your legs held quite close to the body. As the legs go over to the side, draw the belly button in and take the legs down as far as is comfortable. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great week.